Hello, welcome back my beautiful Christian guys. How are you doing? I know everybody will be great. So as I said in my previous vlog that we are going to have a meetup today. So yeah, we are just going there. We are planning to go to Himayat Lake or Rock Garden, Gandipate. So actually we thought to leave by 5:30 or to meet there at 5:30, but it is 6 o'clock. So we just postponed it to 6:30. What's so early to go, and we are not going to do anything, or we are not going to any right now. We're just having a meetup. So what's so fast? What we are gonna do going fast? So just postpone it. Yes. Hey, what is moon doing still? Sun should come now. ఏదైనా మంచి లొకేషన్ దగ్గర ఉండండి. ఓకే 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 సార్ గ్లౌస్ టచ్ ఆపరేట్ చేయడానికి రాదు. Okay, almost reached the location. Oh my god, but it is too cold, dude. ఇది దీని లోపలికి వాడు వెళ్తాడు. ఇప్పుడు నేను చూపిస్తా కదా, నాకు తెలిసి ఎక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. కానీ ఏంటి 1 2 3 4 5 ఏనా? ఇంకా ఇద్దరు రావాలనుకుంటా. चलो బైక్ వెళ్తేనే తెలియదు కానీ మనమైతే వెళ్ళచ్చు అంతే అంటావా? సెక్సీ సన్ రైజ్ ఇక్కడ మనము నేనేదో మైండ్ కాకుండా వెళ్దామా? sunrise side. The stadium. Are crazy, huh? Sun made a moon. Okay, we just reached the location and we are witnessing a very great thing here. That you can see that there is a moon and there is a beautiful sunrise, which is next level.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Well, that's very good experience, like watching a beautiful sunrise and also moon towards the opposite, and in between our R15 and us, we the riders. That felt really good. And as I mentioned that now we are going to have breakfast from our bro's place, Nani Reddy's place, named as LakshyaFoodWays, I guess. I'll show you more clearly like the place. It is located at Manikonda, near to the main road only. So yeah, I'll just show you the location, and you can simply search it in Google. It is more kind of a family type of restaurant. Just see.
Okay, this is the destination, LakshyaFoodWays. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ముందర పడిపోయిండు మా బండ్ల నుంచి షాక్ అయ్యేమో అనుకున్నా నేను. చేయను ఎప్పుడు చెప్పాలి, అట్లీస్ట్ వీక్లీ వన్స్ అయినా స్ప్రే కొట్టాలి.
నేనైతే మొత్తం ముంగర పాకెట్ కూడా ఇప్పేసి మంచిగా చేస్తాను.
అవునా, గ్రేట్. వావ్. So hey guys, we are at LakshyaFoodWays. This is the place of our friend Nani Reddy Janasena's brother's place. Wait, I'll show you the name and entry board. So this is the LakshyaFoodWays at Manikonda, a multi-cuisine garden restaurant. Yeah, you can reach out here. You will get some amazing food. I'll just try out every item and I'll just review the taste of it. Okay, that's one thing. And you can see we also have pani puri, and you get tea, coffee. You also get curries, like from top to bottom, from morning to evening, everything is available here. People from Manikonda, please visit it. A lot of apartments also. Great place to have morning breakfast also, and some amazing thing here. This open garden restaurant has this swing sweet. Nice place. It's like a bar, but I think no alcohol is not available. But the chairs and the position seating is like that. Very good. You also have a good washroom inside here, so you can have you can spend quality time here. See the garden. Nice. I think in the evening it will be completely lighted up, I guess. We have our riders here. Hey bro. Hi. Okay.
Night you don't know. Hi. Current bill is boka.
20 rupees packing.
Packing.
There is a food packing. Aritaku. Packing. So this is the packing quality of LakshyaFoodWays. Very nice. Quality. Nice. Okay. Seating.
ఫోటోలు తీసుకోండి, స్నాప్లు పెట్టుకోండి, ఇన్స్టాలో పెట్టుకోండి.
LakshyaFoodWays, nice. Ghee-kharam, sambar idli is 3, sambar idli vada and onion dosha. Okay, as I said, we had a beautiful breakfast. The quality of the food is too amazing. We can give it as a 9 out of 10 for the quality and package. The food taste is also amazing, like not too good, but if you come with your family or friends, now you can definitely enjoy the food taste and everything. Yeah, that is the thing. Now we are going to I think we will disperse within 5 or 10 minutes now. They are just going to have some tea and yeah, we'll reach them. Okay, the meetup is done. We are now leaving to our homes. We are dispersing.
Okay, so that's it for today, and if you like our meetup and the hotel where we have food, then please like, share and subscribe to Vishnu Reddy Vlogs. See you next time. Until then, goodbye, take care.